Today we are going to make something amazing. For that you have to hold your taste buds. Welcome to the Chandigarh University kitchen. Hi, I am Gagandeep Passi. Today we are going to make an amazing cheesecake which is known as the burnt cheesecake, and also we call it Basque Cheesecake. Now start with the recipe. It is a very easy recipe to make. Now I have a cream cheese. I'm just going to put this cream cheese into this. So see how creamy it is. Now in this I'm going to add the cream. This is a full fat cream I'm using over here. So now we are blending it, emulsifying the ingredients together. So once the blending is done, I'm just keeping it aside for some time. Now here I have the sugar. I'm just going to take a whisk into it. Now I'm going to put this egg into it. Why I'm adding this into it? Because the sugar going to dissolve into the eggs very well. So also in this I'm going to add some amount of the vanilla extract. So now the sugar is dissolved properly in this mixture. I'm keeping it aside. Now again we are going to start with the blending procedure. I'll put this mixture into it. Make sure when you are blending it, it should be properly submerged into it, right? Because we are not looking for that if it is onto the top of it, we will get the bubbles into it. Because for the making the cheesecake, it should be smooth in the texture. In this, I'm going to add the corn flour. Yes, we are done with the blending now. So I'm using the lemon over here. So I'm just taking the zest, the outer part of the lemon. Now I'm going to cut this lemon because also I want the flavor and the taste of the lemon. We are going to mix it, and this is how your cheesecake batter is ready. I'm just going to pour this batter into it. Now we are going for the baking. The baking temperature for this cake is near to 220 degrees Celsius. And now let's go for the baking, and baking will usually take it for 50 minutes. So we will going to make the add-on into it, that is blueberry compote. We are going to make the compote. So in this I'm using the blueberries, fresh blueberries, sugar, some amount of the water into it, one lemon. So we need to give the boil to it. So you can see it is thick enough. We are ready with the blueberry compote. So this is the day second. Now our cheesecake is ready and it is demolded perfectly. It is ready for the cutting. One way is this, otherwise you can use warm water also. Now I'm going to slice it. Now start with the plating. So I'm just going to give a splash with this one slice of cheesecake, blueberry compote, cream chantilly, oats crumble also. Top it with the candied lemon and some microgreens, fresh blueberries, and this is how our cheesecake plating is ready. Now I'll ask my guests to taste this cheesecake, please.
It's so creamy, the compote is balancing out the sweetness so well.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's so good, sir.